Do not throw your blender away ever again. As my subscriber, there's a lot you can do by yourself. If your 3-speed, 500 watts blender or juicer stops working, these are the 3 most likely components responsible. Our major interest is in this stator. Let us see the coil structure, the turns, and the complete connection. Side A has a total of 320 turns. Side B has 3 sets of coils. End of coil 1 is the start of coil 2, and end of coil 2 is the start of coil 3. You can see the number of turns and wire gauge on the screen. Now we are going to do the connection for the brushes and the 3 speeds. But before that, let me introduce you to a platform where I get quality engineering materials. Visit jlcmc.com.